Good morning everyone and welcome to my assembly. Before we start, we've got to do our greeting. Peace be with you. Hopefully you all said it at the right time then. It's totally weird doing an assembly like this. I'm actually sat at home now on a Sunday afternoon and my young son Milan is the cameraman and director. So hopefully everything will go really well. Okay, just before we start, I'm going to light the candle. Hopefully, as you know, our half-term theme, our core value this half-term is thankfulness. And so in today's assembly, I'm going to be talking to you about two very special words. I'm sure you're going to work out what they are, or you probably maybe have an idea right now. But before I talk a little bit more about these two special words, I want you to watch a few little clips that I've put together at home. And what you've got to try and work out is what's kind of wrong with these clips. There's something that's not being done right. So I'm going to play the clips now. Okay, this is clip number 1.
Hey, my birthday was yesterday. You can have a bit of my cake.
No, I'll have some later.
And now we've got clip number 2. As you can see, the acting is amazing. Oh, Milan, I've got those shorts you wanted.
Okay.
And now clip number 3. Hopefully by now you're starting to see a pattern here. There's something that's not really being done properly, particularly by the people I'm speaking to in these little clips. Oh, Milan, you left your water downstairs. Here you go.
Okay, I'll have it in a minute.
And this is clip number 4. Oh, Miss Lambert, I've got that photocopying that you wanted.
Cheers.
Okay, I'll see you later. And clip number 5. You're right, Milan, it's nice to see you reading. You know how important I always say reading is. I've got you a nice healthy snack.
Yeah, just put it on the table, Dad.
Okay, I'll leave it there for you, okay? So, hopefully you've worked out that there were 2 words that were not being said by the people in those clips, and those 2 words are obviously thank you. Quite short words, but as I said right at the start of this assembly, 2 very important and very special words. And sometimes your mum or your dad or whoever looks after you at home will probably say sometimes what are the magic words, and so you can understand them as being magic. I've just got a quick call to make. Hold on, it's ringing. Hello, Miss Collins. It's Mr. Howlett. How are you? Yeah, I was just ringing. You know, I had that problem with the English writing plans, and I asked you for a bit of help. Yeah, that's the one. Well, you know that email you sent? Oh yeah, it was perfect. It's really helped me, so I just wanted to give you a quick call just to say thank you. Yeah. No, thank you so much. Oh, no, it's fine. Yeah, no, I will. Okay. Take care, Miss Collins. See you soon. Bye. 2 little words. Miss Collins was really happy that I'd said thank you. Obviously, she went to a lot of effort to do that, and it's the right thing to do. So to end with, while we watch the candle, we need to reflect on what the assembly has been about, which is really saying those words, thank you. Yesterday, or earlier in the week, Mrs. Dale did an assembly all about how many seconds there are in a day and how many opportunities you have to say that word. So while we look at the candle, I want you to think about somebody today, or yesterday, this week, last week, who has done something for you. Did you say thank you to them? Have you said thank you to your teacher, your LSA? Have you said thank you to somebody in your class, one of your friends, for something that they've done? And then we'll end with a prayer. Dear Lord, help us to be thankful for all of the things that people do for us each and every day. Let us understand the importance of thankfulness and of using those 2 very special words. Amen. Okay, that brings us to the end of our assembly. I hope you enjoyed the little movies that I made, and I hope it made you smile, but I also hope it made you think. And if you see me around school, you can say, "Oh, thanks Mr. Howlett for that assembly. It was quite good," because that will always mean a lot. Take care, and I hope you have a really good day.